Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can edit your picture with the yellow background without Photoshop. So the application that I will use today is Instagram and the Photos library on iPhone. So first thing and ever, you just need to tap into this photo. You need to find the picture that you want to edit here. So I already got one new photo, and the next thing you need to do is just go tap into this object that you want to cut. And that could be like a light glazing on the object, and then tap into the copy. Now you just need to go back into your home screen and open your Instagram application, swipe into the right side so that you can access the Instagram story camera. And the next you just need to like randomly capture the situation and tap into this three small dot and go click draw. Now click the yellow color that you want to get and then just tap into the screen and hold. Then the yellow color could be popping up into the whole screen. Click done. And then the next thing you have to do is just go tap into the screen. Now tap again onto the cursors and then go click paste. And you already got this picture with the yellow background. You just need to adjusting the size and the position. And now you're done. Tap into this three small dot and go click save. And now let's check into the photo library. So this is what you got. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.